Hey lovely people, let's start today's video. First I put a bun in my hair, then I use rose water as a toner. I used moisturizer according to my skin tone. I have oily skin, so it's better not to apply too much moisturizer. I take a little bit. Next I applied concealer and blend well. Blend must be done well, otherwise the base gets cracked. So blend well, it's very important. And I used loose powder where the concealer was applied. And doing makeup on the other eye, first I take a light orange shade and I take dark brown shade in outer corner and I apply golden shade in inner corner. Then my eye makeup is done and I immediately took off the powder with a brush and my chin and nose contouring from the sugar contour palette. Next step bronzer, blush and highlighter. And wrap up by setting makeup with a setting mist and a nude set lipstick. And this is my final look. Let everyone know by commenting, in this makeup look beautiful? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Subscribe for more makeup tutorials videos like this and press the bell icon. See you in the next makeup tutorial video. Stay tuned.